Y'all, my package finally came. I hope this everything, because this really don't seem like everything. I had 8 pieces. I don't know. I ain't had. Hopefully it's everything. We're going to pray that it is. Y'all, Maya just said, when I turn 8, I want to go to Greatfoot Lodge. What's up, Amor Gang? We gang. It's a gang thing, and I'm back with another banger. So, as y'all can tell by the title, I'm not even going to talk y'all to death, period, sis. I see what we doing. Y'all see it's just some regular basic vibes. We're getting vacation ready, so this is like the pre-game. Today is April 1st. Actually, today is April Fool's. I didn't even notice it was April Fool's. Which is crazy. I didn't get to prank anybody. I think I'm going to pull a prank today. It is April Fool's, and I am a April Fool. Anywho, we leave to go on our vacation April 4th, which is Sunday. I don't know if y'all can really hear me. I know I'm on the E-way now, so hold on, cause that's kind of rude, y'all. Let me get my shit together. So, like I was saying, we leave to go on our vacation April 4th. We're staying for a few nights. Where we're going, I'll just let y'all, y'all stay tuned to where we're gonna be at. We're just going to catch a quick little vibe. My son's birthday is April 6th, Messiah, he'll be 3. So we're also gonna be celebrating his birthday there. Y'all, if y'all see a mark on my lip, y'all not seeing shit. I was eating and I burnt my lip. Trying to eat out the pot. I was cooking and I tried to taste it straight out the pot and burnt my lip.
Stop it. Get some help.
Bad. But yeah, y'all, my son's birthday, my 3-year-old, well, he will be 3. His birthday is April 6th. So we gonna be there for his birthday. So we gonna celebrate for his birthday. We just gonna go catch a quick little vibe. We gonna take pics, all of that. Y'all stay tuned. Y'all know I'm gonna make videos, period. I promise y'all more content, so y'all be on the lookout. And that's that. So yes, today is the day that I am starting to get ready for my vacation. As far as packing, I've been planning it for the longest. I've been buying stuff for the longest. My last package just came today, so we gonna open that up in this video and make sure I got everything. I have other packages that I haven't opened yet, and other things that I bought that I haven't opened yet or even really looked at since I bought them. So today will be the day where I go through all of that and decide what I want to take, what I don't want to take, what I want to play around with. Because I don't have a suitcase. I ended up buying my daughter a suitcase instead of myself because I couldn't find one that I liked. So I'm probably just going to use my old suitcase and then let the boys use a different one. And then Maya, she has her own. So she's good. Pretty much everything's in her suitcase. I just got to order. Like put it in some type of order. I didn't get there and I didn't get any more underclothes like t-shirts and stuff for her. And underwears, which I said I was going to do. But yeah, y'all. Am I going the right way? I hope I'm going the right way. I'm going the wrong way. I knew I wasn't.
Seriously, what the fuck are you doing?
But it ain't make no difference. It's still taking niggas the way. Y'all, I'm not even about to fuck around with this Atlanta traffic, bro. Like, and this ain't in the city. I'm glad I'm not in the city, bro. Cause baby, look, like this is just irritating me already. And it's sad that I'm using 2 phones for GPS. But I'm back Glenwood, so I ain't too far from where I gotta go. I'm not even gonna hold y'all. We're gonna get straight into the video, y'all. I need y'all to stop what y'all doing. Go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe if you are new here. Welcome to the gang. If you are part of the gang, what's up? I love y'all too. Y'all already know the vibes. We're gonna always be a lot. Also, y'all can go ahead and comment down below what other content y'all want to see from me, what y'all like, what y'all think I need to work on. I don't take hate too much, but constructive criticism is always welcome here on my channel. I love y'all. Thanks for rocking with me, and I'll see y'all in the next part of the video. Okay, y'all, so we are in the car and we are on our way home. Make tacos. the usual. Y'all know we eat tacos like once a week. I had cut down on a lot of like red meat, honestly, so I haven't had like a homemade taco in a minute. Taco Bell that I had the other day, I threw it away. I didn't even eat it. Hey guys, Future Me here. Okay, so I just wanted to explain what I was saying because I know y'all was like, girl, that did not make sense. Okay, what I was saying was we used to eat tacos weekly. Like we used to have tacos every week, Taco Thursday. We started off doing Taco Tuesday and then we switched it to Taco Thursday. I got to a point where I wanted to stop eating red meat, so we hadn't ate it in like maybe 2.5 months. I went to Virginia, I got Taco Bell and it was good. I got back here and I got Taco Bell and it was nasty, so I threw it away. So I'm not saying, I wasn't trying to contradict myself and say we eat tacos every week and then say we stop eating red meat. That's not what I was trying to say. I was saying we were eating tacos every week until it started to get nasty, and then I decided to stop eating red meat for a little while. So it had been about 2.5 months since the kids actually had red meat on a regular. Okay, so y'all can enjoy the rest of the video. Love you, gang.
Now back to your regularly scheduled program.
So I hope I don't get sick, or I hope don't any of us get sick from eating this red meat, because it is Taco Thursday, and yeah, and it takes like 10 minutes to make tacos. So hey, why not? Because I got a lot of stuff to do anyways. I got to do this video, and y'all know how that is when you're trying to do something, get something accomplished, and film at the same time. You have to keep doing certain things over and over to make sure it's right to be filmed. Y'all get what I'm saying? Y'all know the process. So it's just like when you do YouTube, you'll see, like, you'll understand if you do YouTube. It's a lot to it. You can't just post any type of content any type of way. And I know it be looking like a lot of my videos do be kind of rushed or not like skillfully edited, but it's just because like y'all, that part is just frustrating. So when you're recording something like right now, I'm giving y'all a vlog of like me pre-gaming and me prepping to get ready for vacation while trying to get ready for vacation. Y'all get what I'm saying? Like, it's just gonna take longer because I have to make sure I give y'all a good amount of content. Like, I'm not just gonna give y'all anything. You feel me? If you know, you know. If you feel me, you feel me. Like, ain't no other way for me to say that. But anyways, y'all, I'm on my way home. I got everything that I needed from the store. I didn't look for a suitcase because I ended up spending more money on my kids again, getting them more they need for no freaking reason. But of course, we all deserve it. So of course, God is gonna allow me to make it right back. It's really crunch time for me. After this vacation, when I come back home, I'm grinding. In between, I'm definitely gonna take trips and breaks because I got a lot more, you know, stuff planned. Like, I got a lot more planned to give y'all better content. So of course y'all gonna see me here, there, and everywhere. Like, passport on deck coming soon. Do you feel me? So just stay tuned. Just keep rocking with me, y'all. And I don't supposed to be recording while I'm driving, so don't drive and film, y'all. It's not good. I'm about to put the phone down. I'm like 3 minutes. Yeah, y'all. So you don't supposed to drive and film. Hence, this is why y'all see that. Y'all see the accident? Like, it is huge.
What happened to the car?
I'm not gonna film and drive, y'all. I'm about to get off of this. Because I don't got time. All y'all sit back. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna catch y'all when I get to the house because this is just too much for me. I don't do this type of things. And I think somebody is seriously hurt because there is a tree in the bush. I said there's a tree in the bush. There's a car in the bush. Like, damn near over the ramp in the creek. Alright. I don't know if y'all can see it. I'm trying to get close to it. But it's a car right there. It is a car right here in the motherfucking bushes. They directing traffic. My light is green, but well, now it's red. It just turned yellow then red. But my light was green, and this is very, very unfortunate. Somebody could have seriously gotten hurt, and I'm over here saying I should have got off the phone. I gotta get off the phone, but I'm at a red stoplight now. That's why I'm still talking. You know what? It was like that thing. My phone about to go dead, so I'll see y'all in 2 seconds.
2,000 years later.
Am I the only one who hates the keef when it gets stuck to your fingers? Like, I hate this. This shit is in the way. Like, if I scrape this shit off my fingers, y'all, because when I used to break my weed down, I used to have a blade. I always kept a blade because that's how I used to cut my blunts when I couldn't find no scissors. And I would take the blade and scrape this shit off my hand, y'all, and it would be like damn near enough for a joint, bro. Like, I hate this sticky, bro. Like, I wish I had something to poke it off now. I got this iPhone thingy, whatever you call this shit. Like, yo, this shit be a lot, bro. Look. Hold on, I'm about to show y'all. Oh, damn. I wiped it off a little bit. Look. I hate it, bro.
A few moments later.
Life don't stop. I got it off for the most part, y'all. I did alright. Yeah. Tell him I said come here, fire. And y'all really did use all my soap and that. I like the way that one smells too. I'm doing my hair and I'm going to get my feet done in a little while. I'm waiting for my mom. She went first because we got the kids. So she went first while I got the kids. And then when she done, I'm going to go while she got the kids. And then the boys going to go get their hair cut between today and tomorrow. We leave Sunday morning. What's up, gang? Editor Me here. Just want to let you guys know that the full live video from Instagram of me packing my clothes for vacation will be uploaded in the next video labeled as part 2. So y'all be on the lookout for that. This purse is just where it don't have the anything to go in the front. It's just this. So I think how you do it, I think this one is pretty easy. I was trying to do it a different way, y'all, which was dumb. I don't know why I thought to try to do it that way. And it's common sense of how I should have done it. I don't know what I was thinking, y'all. I was really rushing. So yeah, you just stick these through the holes, and I guess you just clip them back together once you stick them through the holes. That is not what I was doing yesterday. It's common sense that that's what I should have did, but I don't know why I was so confused as to how to put this damn purse together, y'all. I'm burnt out. All right, so this is how I'm gonna do it. I don't know if this is the right way, but this is the conclusion I came to. So yeah, this is the purple one that I said I was probably not gonna wear because it's not the same exact color purple, but it's still cute. I don't know, I might just make it work because I don't feel like going back to Target. Then I got this other white one. I gotta see how this one goes. Made different from this white one. This one is more like crocodile, I guess, or alligator skin, and I think this one is snake skin. I don't fucking know, but y'all see the difference. I'm about to go look at the picture and see how I'm supposed to do it, and then I'll show y'all. This one can be worn different ways. So I'm gonna show y'all the way I'm gonna do it. I might show y'all both ways. Kind of wrapped around it like this somewhat, and it was hanging, so you could do it like this, or you could just do it all to the side, like take both of the things and then just push it all to the side and have it hanging down. I don't know which way I'm gonna do it. I'm sorry, y'all, I did it wrong. It was wrapped all the way around. It was like wrapped all the way around this, and then it was hanging on both sides. Like this whole part was covered with it, and then it was just like hanging on both sides. So I think that's just what I'm gonna do. Or you can wrap it and then like do it similar to the other way and just have both hanging on one side, like in a big bow. So yeah, I don't know which way I'm gonna do it. I might just do it like this and just have one bow on the side. I don't know, but I have options. So for right now, I'm just gonna do it like this in a nice little cute little bow. And you have to be careful when you're doing bows with this type of material because you want the bow to sit nicely. You don't want it to look any type of way. Like you want it to sit nicely. So I'm gonna pull the bow out some and tighten it because I want the straps to hang. I don't want the bow part to be big. I want the straps to dangle. So you gotta be kind of, you know, careful, gentle. Please excuse the noise in the background. My kids be loud. But yeah, like this, something similar to this is just probably how I'm gonna hang it. I'm not too picky about how it looks. I really don't care. But yeah, so basically this is how it's supposed to look, similar to this. And yeah, that's it. That's pretty much it. So I'm gonna try to start packing and doing something with myself until it's time for me to go get my feet done. Y'all, I do not feel good. I feel horrible. My allergies are messed up. I have no energy. I can't even do my hair.
I feel like a spaceship going out of space. What?
Cause you know what you're doing, Maya. It's not funny. Cause you got all the way up to come over here and do that in my video.
dance.
Girl, you always want to dance. All right, y'all, so I'm about to try to pack because I didn't do nothing but throw everything off my bed onto the floor, literally, y'all. Like, this shit is a hot ass mess. But I don't feel good. My allergies is messing up really bad. And it's just making me not even want to go on this trip because every time I travel, I always end up getting sick. Like, every time I travel, I always, like, when I come from here and go back to Virginia or, you know, come from Virginia back here, I always get sick from the weather change and all of that. And then here the weather goes from cold to hot just like Virginia all the time. Like, it's just worse because it'll be like 50 degrees, 40 degrees one day and then be like 80 degrees the next day. Like, that's a big difference. In Virginia, it don't be that hot. Like, it'll go from maybe 60 to 70, but y'all, it's either hot here or cold here. Ain't no in between at all. And like, I really don't feel good. And then I ain't been taking my medicine either, so that's probably another reason why. I might need to just go meditate and stuff, because I need my energy back. I need to fix my vibration, y'all. Y'all can tell I'm tired. I can't even keep my eyes open, y'all. And I'm drooling. Like, I just do
Oh my God, I feel so
not feel good. Oh, yeah.
I feel so good. I feel like
2,000 years later.
What's up, gang? Forewarning, if you are wondering why I sound so stopped up, slouchy, grouchy, slowly talking, it's because well, for one, I am tired. And for two, I have a mask on my lips and I have on lip gloss. So if it sounds funny, just bear with me, y'all. We're at the end of the video, so y'all go ahead and finish tuning in. Don't ask me why she got on the hood, y'all. She don't want nobody to see her hair because it's not done yet.
Is this gonna tickle?
A little. She's very sensitive on her feet, so you gotta be careful, Maya. You gotta be still. Don't jump when she rub your feet with the thing. Because she gotta do your feet. You can't move while she doing it. You gotta let her do it.
Is it gonna hurt me?
No, it's gonna tickle a little bit. That's what I'm saying. You
If
sensitive.
I jump, is it gonna hurt me?
No, I'm just saying you gotta stay still so she don't mess up or she don't hurt you. Just don't keep jumping, snatching your foot away, baby.
Are she gonna clip my toenail off?
Yeah, you gotta get your feet. You gotta get your toenail clipped. So cute. I'm gonna do another video when I'm leaving. They're so cute. You happy? They're so yes, thank you, Jesus. We are finally done, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Love you, gang. Peace.